Hey y'all, it's Kitty. So today I wanted to do a purple look, I think. Question mark. So why don't we just jump into the video. Oh, if you're new here, hi, I'm Kitty. Um I've had a lot of new subscribers lately because of James Cox and the I Am a Creator movement. I will link that down below. I'm gonna make a video about it soon. And if you're here from I Am a Creator, comment down below and let me know. As always, we start with eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna cut out the clip of me doing this. Next, we're going to set the eyeshadow primer. I just dipped my nail into the black shadow. Next, we're going to go into a light cream shade and set the eyeshadow primer. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into this shade, which is purple from Colourpop, and just put that all over my crease. And I just want to show you my color switch one more time. This is great. You just rub the brush in here, and it's not a thorough way of cleaning your brushes. You still have to clean your brushes. It's a good way of getting the color off so you can just use it in a different color, but it is not a substitute for cleaning your brushes. But I live for my color switch. I found one for $4 at TJ Maxx, and it's totally gonna be in a giveaway I have coming up soon. I didn't say anything. So we're going into Purple by Coastal Scents on my E.L.F. blending eye brush. Next, I'm going to take my AOA Studios E124 brush and go into this darker purple shade from the Colourpop My Little Pony palette and just really darken up the inner and outer corners just a little bit. I don't want to get them too dark, but I do want them darker than they are now. Then I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. blending brush and try and blend that out more, because that little brush is good for not blending. It's not good for blending, or at least not the way that I want it to be. Then I'm going to go back into Purple by Coastal Scents and get more purple in my crease. Next, I'm going to take my AOA Studios E113 brush and go into this silvery blue color. This is from the Colourpop My Little Pony palette, and just pack that all over the center of the mobile lid. Next, I'm going to go back into purple with the e.l.f. blending brush and blend out the crease. Now, if you're a beginner, you're probably looking at me and you're like, okay, Kitty, why are we going back and forth? We just blended out the crease. Why are we blending it out again? And the answer is seamless blending. We really ideally want the transition from the silvery blue to the purple to be very seamless. So we go back and forth to make sure it is so. Of course, now we're going to go back with the E113 from AOA Studios and re-brighten up the lid, but we're not going to go as high as we went the first time so that we're not going to redefine the crease because of course we just blended it out. So if you had that question, there's an answer. Now I think the last step I'm going to do is going to Mystic Rain from the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette and put that on the outer and inner corner of the silver shade to give it a pink shift because this is like a pink blue duochrome. And we're just gonna see how that looks. And we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild small concealer brush to do that. Okay, so I totally just put that all over the mobile lid because I liked the way it looked that way. Now I'm going to clean up the fallout, and then I'm probably going to put purple from Coastal Scents a little bit on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go into my e.l.f. this one and go back into purple and smudge that along my lower lash line. And I'm only bringing it in about halfway. So now I'm going to do my mascara and the rest of my face, and I will be right back when I am all done. So this is the completed look. I would love if you could let me know what you think. I feel like this lipstick kind of makes me look dead, but I also kind of really like it. So let me know down below, does this lipstick make me look dead, or are you into it? I would love it if you could like the video and comment down below. Those things would really help me out, as well as subscribing. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me grow. I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!